JEE मेंस 25 में लिमिट्स का ये क्वेश्चन आया था। अगर आपने लिमिट्स को कंसेप्चुअली पढ़ा हो तो आपसे ये क्वेश्चन आसानी से सॉल्व होगा। देखिए क्वेश्चन में लिमिट फाइंड आउट करना है। लिमिट x टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 5। यहाँ से हम x स्क्वायर कॉमन निकालते हैं। इन ब्रैकेट वी विल हैव x स्क्वायर इंटू 2 minus 3 by x plus 5 by x square. X plus 5 by x square. Also from denominator, if we take x square common, in bracket we have 3 plus 5 by x plus 4 by x square. और ऊपर भी हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं 3x minus 1 and bracket to the power x by 2 है. So 3x to the power x by 2 कॉमन लेते हैं और ब्रैकेट में है हमारे पास 1 minus 1 upon 3x. Also from denominator, if we take 3x to the power x by 2 common, to the power x by 2. और नीचे है 1 plus 2 by 3 x to the power x by 2. Now we can split limit to each bracket by algebra of limit. So limit x tends to infinity, first bracket is 2 minus 3 by x plus 5 by x square. 3 by x plus 5 by x square. In denominator limit x tends to infinity और यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट है 3 plus 5 by x plus 4 by x square. Also limit x tends to infinity. अब यहाँ पे 1 minus 1 upon 3x और फॉर्मूले में फिट करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे 1 upon 3x है तो ऊपर minus 3x लेना होगा. So whole to the bracket minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 6. Now in denominator limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by 3x. Also to fit in formula we will take 3x by 2. So 3x by 2 and जो हमने 3 एक्स्ट्रा लिया है वो बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे 1 by 3 लिखना होगा. So let's take limit of this. We have 3 by x, limit x tends to 3 by x 0 and also limit x tends to infinity 1 upon x square is 0. So 2 by 3 is our limit and from formula we have e to the power minus 1 by 6 and also in denominator e to the power 1 by 3. Now we will simplify 2 by 3 e to the power minus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 3 is e to the power minus 1 by 2. So our final answer is 2 by 3 into under root e. This is our last answer.